Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my analysis for silver. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on silver, I'm on the weekly time frame because this is where you can really see the one, two, three, four waves, or three waves of four, and then the fifth wave most likely now. I think this is likely to go up to about the 100% area, which is right around the $36 area. So we might be getting close to the top, but when we're saying close, we're talking about the weekly, so definitely could be several more weeks. Now, I left this Fibonacci on the daily because on my last silver video, I had my Fibonacci from here to here, and I said that if you see one, two, three waves down to a Fibonacci level, 38%, and then you saw an engulfing move to the upside, that would likely be a really nice long opportunity. So hopefully some of you guys caught that long. Now that that's over with, we can definitely get rid of that Fibonacci level and we could go down to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, what I would be doing is I would have my Fibonacci retracement now on this last move up. This looks to me like impulsive down like a wave A. It looks to me like we're likely in a wave B right now, and I think there's a good chance we'll probably go down again for wave C, basically just like what I was showing on the daily. I'm waiting for three waves down, I'm waiting for a Fibonacci bounce, I'm waiting for an engulfing move up. If I see all those things, that is exactly what I would be looking for my next long opportunity, hopefully for the continuation of what I still think is a wave 5, which I think is a wave C on the monthly time frame, so a wave 5 of wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.